today we are making nachos, everyone's favorite dish, but I'm adding my little Oaxacan twist to it and putting some of my world famous mole. We're gonna start off by prepping the beans with chicken. We're going to add onions, cumin, garlic flakes, chicken broth, black beans, 2 tablespoons of my world famous Guelaguetza mole coloradito paste. And of course, we can't forget about the shredded chicken. So now that you have your mole, beans, and chicken ready, we are going to layer and put our nachos together. Obviously, the first thing you're gonna wanna have is your chips ready. Then we're gonna add some of this beautiful, wonderful chicken that we've just made. Adding the mole to the chicken is gonna add a whole different level of flavor to your nachos. So we're gonna do a second layer of chips, and we're gonna keep adding more chicken. Grab a whole lot of cheese and just pour it on top. And this is we're gonna pop in the oven. So after about 10 minutes or so, our nachos are ready. My favorite part of this is to hear the sizzling of the cheese. And we are going to add some Pico de Gallo on top. I have a great pepita guacamole recipe you can accompany this with, and it goes beautifully with the nachos. I'm gonna take a bite out of this, and I will see you next time. Yeah.